Welcome guys to my creative corner. This is Claudette, and today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the new way that I will be storing my leftover papers. Currently I store my scraps in folders like these or in Ziploc bags, and then the problem with this is that sometimes it gets too bulky, and then it depends on what color I'm looking for. I have to flip through and look for them. Of course you could label them, but I didn't in this case, and I find that a lot of times my paper may get bent, and as well as in the Ziploc bag. It's just too cumbersome and just not neat. So I decided I was going to go ahead and store them in scrapbook cases, and I had a couple at home already, and I said I'm going to stop by Michael's, and this was yesterday, and get me a couple more so I could organize them by color. I'll put like the whites with the vanillas, the reds together, the greens, the blacks and the browns, etc., and as well as have one individually for my designer series paper. So when I went to Michael's yesterday, they had them 40% off. I was so excited. I got several. So the one that I had, the name brand on that was by Iris, and then the one that Michael's had on sale yesterday were Recollections, and these they are 12 by 12, acid free. They have a handle in the front right here, and then they have the snap closure. A word of caution: if you're getting these, just make sure that they snap on both sides. I had to go through a couple at Michael's before I found 4 pretty good ones. But for $5.99, that is not a bad price at all. So these could hold a lot. So this is the one that is by Iris, and pretty much they're the same size, but I find that the one by Iris, the plastic is a little bit more firm. It's not as flimsy as the Recollections one, but pretty much they're the same. They look the same, and they're both made in the USA. Another great idea for these scrapbook cases is to store your project as you're working with it. So it'll keep your craft area decluttered. So you could list your different projects. So you have multiple projects going on, so you could organize your projects in these as well. If you guys use these cases, let me know down below in the comment how you use them and how do you store your leftover paper. So if you got creative value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like button down below. So thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I will catch you guys on the next video.